Now, if ladies sometimes they are very good homemakers, they keep working at home and they do not get an outlet, like in case they are not working elsewhere, they want to go out. So, all the ladies of the neighborhood or they are all friends, so they join together and they are thinking of going on a one day picnic somewhere. Okay. So, if ladies want to go, they have to first choose a good place and they have to arrange for a van or a bus, and they depending on the number, and they have to book a hotel to go and change and to stay there, isn't it? So, all these taken into good food also they have to decide on. So, all this put together, ladies sometimes they may not agree on one particular thing. Each one, all 5 fingers are not the same, you see. So, each one may come out with a different idea or a different place. Here we are going to see a group of women. This is under the ladies section, and they are going to discuss at a picnic, okay, like how they are going to go on a picnic. So, the topic is this is planning, first planning for the place to go for a picnic, okay. I will just say B, this is a dialogue between A and C. Miss B. Well, friends, today we have gathered to decide on where to go for our annual picnic. Annual picnic. C and D. Yay! It's going to be fun. Okay, they are also excited, and A says, okay, let's decide on the place. On the place first. And then we have to make a lot of arrangements. Okay. Now, C comes with a suggestion. Why don't we go to Pondicherry, and immediately D says, no, I prefer Mahabalipuram. And immediately B says, both the places are not very safe for women to travel, women to go alone. Why don't we go to Yelagiri Hills for a change? So, immediately A is seconding her opinion. Yes, I think Yelagiri will be a nice place to go. What do you say, friends? What do you say, friends? She is asking. And immediately, now C and D only first gave different places now. So, C and D together. Yes, we also feel Yelagiri will be the best place to go. And immediately A, I think A is the leader of the group. Well then, let's make all the other arrangements. Okay. So, they first then the conversation will go on. They will decide on how many are coming, how much they have to collect per head, and which bus to take, which hotel to stay and all that. So, it goes on and on. So, this is just the initial conversation to go for a picnic. Okay. So, when you gather in a group, this is how each one will give different opinions, and how you speak will be the this is the way in which you speak. Shall we practice a dialogue now? B says, well friends, today we have gathered to decide on where to go for our annual picnic. And C and D, that is Mrs. C and Mrs. D say, yay, it's going to be fun. And A says, okay, let's decide on the place first and then we have to make a lot of arrangements. As I told you, all the arrangements like bus and hotel and how many are coming, depending on the number only they can calculate the rate per head. So, all that depends on how they plan out. So, C says, why don't we go to Pondicherry? And D immediately says, no, I prefer Mahabalipuram. And B immediately says, both the places are not very safe for women to go alone. Why don't we go to Yelagiri Hills for a change? So, both are plains and Yelagiri is a hill station, isn't it? So, she is giving a suggestion. And A also, Mrs. A also seconds her opinion and says, yes, I think Yelagiri will be a nice place to go. What do you say, friends? So, A is asking for the opinion of C and D. And C and D also never thought of Yelagiri at all. So, immediately they think, yes, we also feel Yelagiri will be the best place to go. So, now they are decided on the place. So, A says, well then let us make all the other arrangements, and they go on further to discuss the other arrangements. So, have you got the feel of how to go about in planning for a picnic?